Hello everyone, welcome to BI Consulting Pro. This is another video of Power BI, and in this video you will learn how we can send a message to Microsoft Teams from Power BI using Microsoft Power Automate. That means we are going to use Microsoft Power Automate for this video to the complete automation. There can be multiple use cases whenever a user wants to send a custom message from Microsoft Power BI to the Teams, and this task we are going to achieve using Microsoft Power Automate. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First, we have to click on the Power Automate visual in Power BI. So we are going to use this visualization to send a message to the teams from Power BI services or from our Power BI report. And as you can see on this visualization itself, it's saying all the steps. That means first you need to add the data, set up your flow, apply and share, and finally format your button. Then we can use it. And for that, today's we have an employee table from where I have my employee email addresses as well as their name and some other data. So we are going to use email address. Then we are also going to use the name. Once you will drag and drop into the data section, then we have to edit this visualization so that we can set up our flow. And for that, what we can do, we can go into the three dots on the top corner, and there you will find the edit button. Let's go and start this one. So we are going to click on these three dots and click on edit button. Once you will click on the edit button, it will take you to the Microsoft Power Automate page. So basically it's an inbuilt page, but it's going to redirect you on the Microsoft Power Automate website. The same look and feel you will get over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to send a Teams message from Power BI. We will select it, and now we have to wait so that the further steps are going to pop up over here. Now it would automatically show you the flow will connect to Power BI and Microsoft Teams. You have to sign in into your respective accounts, and I'll suggest you use the same email account or your user account to connect both. Click on continue. Once you will click on continue, it will take you further. Now you will see a post a message as the flow bot to a user where you need to add your recipients, message, headlines. So I'm going to use the dynamic expression over here. That means I'm going to use the dynamic content, and where I'm going to use my Power BI data. That means we are using my email addresses from there. As soon as you will do that, there would be apply to each step option would appear. That means it's going to send the message to all the email user groups over there. In the message, I'm going to use the name of the users, and then I can type my custom message. So let's type it over here. So if you would like to mention the headline, you can do over here. So we are going to type over here Power Automate, Power BI to Teams. And now if you want to show advanced options, you can see over here. Otherwise, you can even add an action. That means after this step, if you would like to add something more, but we are not gonna do that. But definitely if you would like to, you can do it over here. So let me just close this one. And now we are going to save it. Once you will save it over here, you will see there two more buttons are going to appear on the top row where you can see save and apply. So we are going to save and apply, and then we can go back to our Microsoft Power BI. So you can see over here, you successfully applied, sent a Teams message from Power BI to your button. So now we can go back to our report, and here you are going to see the button has been created. So this button you can format now. So let me quickly format this button. If you would like to add a title, you can add it over here, but we don't need it. So I'm gonna switch it off. And we are done with our formatting right now. So let's see how it's appears. So before going to that, we are going to publish this report to our Power BI services. So let me save this and publish it on my Power BI service. Now let's go to the Power BI service. So let me go to my demo workspace. Here you can see that Power BI send message to Teams. It's over here, and our button is appearing over here. So basically we can click on this button and it's gonna send message to the respective email addresses on their Teams. So it's been triggered successfully. Let's check that. For that, I need to log in on my Teams. Now let's go and check the message. So let me just remove them. Now let's go to the messages or chats, and here you can see that there's a message from Power Automate which is saying Power Automate Power BI to Teams, which was our headlines, and here the message is inside this. So this is the way that you can send message to anyone on the Teams. Now, if you would like to check your flow on Power Automate, you can check that. You can go to your My Flows, and over here you will find your flow. Now you can edit the flow, or if you would like to rerun it from there, you can rerun from here as well. You can check all the steps. If you would like to test it, you can test it over here, or you can just go back and check when it was run last time. So here you can see that our flow was succeeded and it just took 11 seconds to run. That's all you need to know for this video. If you have any question and concern, please do let me know, and we would be happy to answer your all the queries. Please stay tuned with our channel, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for all the updates and videos.